Good afternoon and welcome to today's news brief. Yesterday, Baja California Sur entered phase 3 of the COVID pandemic with 198 confirmed cases, of which 184 are under home quarantine, 12 are recovered, 17 are hospitalized, and of those, 8 are intubated and in critical condition. As of this morning, there are 12 COVID-related deaths registered and a total of 432 tests applied. Dr. Victor George Flores, Secretary of Health for the state of Baja California Sur, said that there are 350 hospital beds available in the state, as well as 147 ventilators, and 95 additional ventilators are scheduled to arrive in the coming days. He added that the forecast is for an estimated 80 serious cases of COVID-19 per month, as long as the population contributes by following indications and act as the authorities recommend during this emergency, always observing social distancing and staying at home to prevent the health system from being overwhelmed. Dr. George Flores pointed out that the population in risk groups, as is the case of the 44,000 diabetics and the 87,000 members of our community with high blood pressure, need to be even more aware of the importance of staying at home and avoid any possibility of contagion. Phase 3 is when the dispersion of the virus begins and regional or municipal outbreaks may occur on a larger scale, a situation that will require a series of measures that both the state and municipal authorities have already agreed to implement. The Secretary of Health also said that yesterday the state government received from the federal government medical materials and supplies to manage the epidemic, including surgical gowns, slip-on shoe covers, gloves, face masks, sterile tips, polypropylene filters, cleaning materials, medicines, sodium hypochlorite, dispensers, soap dishes, and towel racks. Local stores have established certain rules following the indications of the authorities, such as allowing access to only one person per family and limiting the hours for high-risk groups to shop. Certain stores have limited the number of basic needs and cleaning supplies items a customer may purchase. Furthermore, stores have posted signs stating that in compliance with the recommendations of the authorities, the use of face masks is mandatory to access their premises. Otherwise, clients will not be allowed to enter. The Cabos San Lucas Port Captainship announced yesterday, April 21st, that a special permit is available for the entire maritime community holding a seaman's book needing to go fishing for their personal consumption. The information was confirmed by port authorities headed by Captain José del Carmen Basurto Beltrán, who have invited all fishermen who need to go fishing for food to go to the offices of the harbor master to process the special permit. The process only takes 5 minutes, and those applying must present their seaman's book and an official identification. Once they have the permit, the fishermen will have to fish in pairs while maintaining social distancing, and they will have to notify by radio of their departure and return times. This permit is only valid for 1 day and only good to fish for food to be consumed by their permit holder's household. The captainship of the Cabo San Lucas Port pointed out that all recreational activities and nautical tourism services have been suspended and restricted since March the 30th of this year and will continue as such until further notice, as one of the actions taken to avoid crowds of people as part of the social distancing campaign to avoid the spread of COVID-19 in the municipality of Los Cabos. Tune into 96.3 FM for news updates or follow us in Facebook at Cabomil News.